How to upload video on YouTube from AZ Screen Recorder. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily share any kind of video and upload it on YouTube from AZ Recorder. So if you don't have the application yet, just make sure to install it from Play Store. And once you have the app, you can just go ahead and open it up. Now once you open up the application, go to its menu section. And here you'll see a list of all of your photos, videos, and your settings. So I already have this short video here that I've recorded using AZ Recorder. And the best part about this is it gives you an option to directly share it to YouTube. So what you can do is just tap on the share icon right beside edit. And once you tap on the share icon, it will give you a bunch of options that you can share the video on. And right on top of that list is YouTube. Just tap on it. But you have to mind that this video is going to be posted on the channel that you are browsing currently on YouTube or that you're logged into. So I'm currently logged into the channel I want to post this in, so I'm just going to tap on next. If you're on any other accounts, just make sure to switch accounts first and then tap on share. And once you tap on next, you can edit it, add texts. So let me add something like wallpapers. And then what I'm going to do is tap on done. You could also change the font of the text. So if you tap on the text option, you can easily change its font. Tap on edit, tap on this top option to edit the font, and just tap on done, tap on next. And now you can add details to this and post the video. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.